So first, my first question is, would you elucidate your stance on creation ex nihilo, that is creation from nothing, integrating perspectives from both theological doctrine and contemporary scientific understanding, particularly in relation to the Big Bang Theory?
Mhm. I think that Genesis 1:1 implies logically creatio ex nihilo, that is to say, the doctrine that God created the universe, but not out of any kind of material substratum. The initial verse of Genesis says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." And the word there, bara, for created, is a word that has only God as its subject and does not require any sort of material substratum. And the expression, the heavens and the earth, is an idiom in the Hebrew language denoting the entire universe, the entirety of physical reality. So, at face value, verse 1 teaches that God, at the very beginning, created the entire physical universe. And I think that verse 1 is neither a subordinate clause, it is an independent clause, and nor the title of chapter 1, but it is providing background information for verses 2 and following. So I think right from the very first verse of the Bible, you have a teaching of creatio ex nihilo, and this is confirmed then in the prophets such as Isaiah and other passages in the Hebrew Bible. And in connection with modern scientific understanding, the ancient Jewish commitment to creatio ex nihilo, creation out of nothing, put Judaism in conflict with Greek philosophical thought, which taught the past eternity of the universe, and materialism, that matter has always existed. And for thousands of years, this Jewish point of view stood in opposition to this mainstream view of materialism, from ancient Greek materialism up through modern Marxism and materialistic theories of the universe. This, however, was dramatically upended in the second decade of the 20th century when Albert Einstein applied his newly discovered gravitational theory, the general theory of relativity, to the universe as a whole. And to his shock and the shock of everyone else, it was discovered that the general theory of relativity would not permit a past eternal universe. Rather, the equations indicated that the universe is expanding, and that as you trace the expansion back in time, the universe becomes denser and denser until at a point in the finite past, it literally disappears. There is an absolute beginning, not only of all matter and energy, but of physical space and time themselves. And so, completely contrary to expectation, contemporary astrophysics confirmed the ancient Jewish view of the beginning of the universe and its origination ex nihilo.